So hello class, I hope you all are good and fine. So today we discuss about children and women in sports. So in children and women in sports, your today topic is common postural deformities. Okay class? So in previous class video I told you what is the disability and what is the deformities and disorders. Okay class? So in this topic, we're talking about these five common postural deformities. Okay, so first number deformities is spinal curvature. Okay, then second one flat foot, third is knock knee, fourth is bow legs, and fourth is round shoulder. Okay, class. So basically, first was spinal curvature means कि your spinal bones are going to bend like up bend, back bend, any side you bend your spinal cord. Okay, class. So next one is flat foot. Flat foot means आपके जो पैरों के पंजे होते हैं उसमें गैप नहीं होते हैं. जस्ट लाइक कि प्रॉपर आपके जो पैरों के पाम्स होते हैं वो प्रॉपर सरफेस पे टच होते हैं, उनमें कोई गैप नहीं आता है. ओके. सो सेकेंड वन थर्ड इज नॉकनी. नॉकनी मीन्स कि आपके जो नीज है आपस में जब आप अपने टांगों को क्लोज करते हो सो आपके नीज आपस में टकराते हैं. ओके. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉक नी. एंड दिस फोर्थ नंबर इज बो लेग्स. ओके. सो इन बो लेग्स आपके जो लेग के नीज के नीचे जो दो बोन्स होते हैं दोनों पैरों के अलग अलग, वो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो मीन्स अलग अलग डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में फैल रहे होते हैं. तो दिस इज अ बो लेग. एंड लास्ट राउंड शोल्डर्स मीन्स की जो आपकी स्पाइन होती है, स्पाइन बोन्स होती हैं, वो आपके शोल्डर्स को राउंड शेप में कन्वर्ट कर देती है. मीन्स आपकी जो अलग टाइप की रोजमर्रा की जो बैठने के सिटिंग पोस्टर, अदर स्टैंडिंग, और जब आप कोई वर्क करते हो उसमें कितने आवर्स आप वो अपने पोस्टर को मेंटेन कर पाते हो नहीं. अगर आप उस पोस्टर को मेंटेन करके नहीं रखते हो तो यू हैव ए राउंड शोल्डर डिफॉर्मिटीज. ओके. सो नाउ वी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट नंबर स्पाइनल कर्वेचर. ओके class.
So class, in this topic we discuss about the common posture deformities and their corrective measures. Okay. So the first point is posture deformity is the malformation of any components or body parts or joints of the body. So these are the all the kind of the deformities, and these shoulders become in round shoulder become round till in the forward direction, and knock knee bending of leg inward direction in concave shape. Okay class. So next is flat foot, despairing the arc of foot. Lordosis means inward curvature of spine, and bow leg bending of leg in outward direction, and scoliosis sideways curvature of the spine in C or S shape. Means कि आपकी जो स्पाइन है वो या तो सी शेप में हो जाएगी कर्व, या एस शेप में कर्व में मुड़ने लग जाती है. ओके. सो लास्ट वन इज योर काइपोसिस. सो इन काइपोसिस एक्सेसिव आउटवर्ड curvature or spine causing hunching of the back. Okay class. So these all structure about the your postural deformities. So let's move next page. So in next page we talking about the first deformities, your knock knee. Okay. So in knock knee, a postural deformity in which both the knees touch or overlap each other in a normal standing position. Okay class, what is the knock knee? A posture deformity in which both the knee touch or overlap each other in normal standing position. Okay class. So means जब आप नॉर्मल स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में खड़े होते हो तो आपकी जो दोनों पैरों की नी है वो आपस में आपस में चिपकने लग जाती हैं, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड योर नॉक नी. सो causes of the knee है, first is weakness of muscle and ligaments, second point is overweight body, third point is lack of balanced diet, and fourth is lack of vitamin. Okay class, so I repeat again the knock knee, a posture deformity in which both the knee touch or overlap each other in normal standing position. Okay class, so this is about the knock knee, and the causes of the knock knee is weakness of muscles, ligament, overweight body, lack of balanced diet, and lack of vitamin D. Okay, class. So let's move next page. So these are the structure of the normal alignments, bow legs, and knock knee. Okay, class. So is the normal alignment, your knee should be proper in alignment. The center of knee and center of ankle and center of your hips. Okay, so these all points are should be the in normal alignments. So basically the correct posture of your body parts. Okay, so in bow leg you can see that the knee joints are going too far for other sides. Okay, so in knock knee, the your knee was going to inside your both knees to touching. Okay class, so करेक्टिव मेजर ऑफ द नी मीन्स नॉक नी को करेक्ट मतलब ठीक कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द पॉइंट ऑफ walking on the outward in killing surface and apply pressure on the outer edge of the feet. Okay class, again I repeat this, walking on a outward inhaling surface and applying pressure on the outer edge of the feet. Okay, so second cause deformities is your flat foot. Okay, so in flat foot it is a deformity of the feet. Is in this deformity there is a no arc in the foot and the foot is completely flat. Okay class, so in this deformities आपके जो पैर के पंजे होते हैं तो उनमें कोई कर्व नहीं होता है या आर्क नहीं होता है, जस्ट वो एक स्ट्रेट और सिंपल एक प्लेन, जैसे एक प्लेन आपके होता है प्लेन सरफेस टाइप में, जस्ट लाइक वैसा ही उसके आपके पैरों के पाम्स या पाम्स होते हैं. ओके क्लास, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्लैट फुट डिफॉर्मिटीज. ओके, सो these are causes of the flat foot. So first number is faulty posture, prolonged standing. Okay, third is excessive body weight, lack of proper exercise. Okay class, so again I repeat the causes of flat foot: faulty posture, prolonged standing, third is excessive body weight, and fourth is lack of proper exercise. Okay class, so let's move next page. So now you look at this, this is the your normal foot and this is the flat foot, flat arc. Okay, and this is a hollow foot, मतलब high arc. So class, these are the correct posture of your feet, and this is a flat foot deformities. Okay class, and this is also say that is the deformities of the type of flat foot. Okay class, so this is the diagram of the flat foot, your normal foot, and this is a flat foot, a fallen arc, and the third diagram is hollow foot. Okay class, so now we're talking about the corrective measures of flat foot. Okay class, so first number is heel and toe walking. Okay class, so second number is walking on heels. So third number is walking on sloping surface. Okay, again I repeat this corrective measure of flat foot. So first number is heel and toe walking, walking on heels, walking on sloping surface. Okay class, so let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about your what third deformities. So your third deformities is round shoulders. So in round shoulder, it is a postural deformities in which the shoulders are drawn, the head is extended with the chin pointing forward. Okay, class. So again, I repeat the round shoulder deformities. It is a postural deformities in which the shoulders are drawn, the head is extended with the chin pointing forward. Okay, class. So now we're talking about the causes of the round shoulder. So first number is due to poor posture while working. So second number is faulty furniture. Third number is wrong habit of sitting, standing. Fourth number is carrying heavy load on shoulders. Fifth number is maybe sleeping on one side. Okay, class. So be careful. So this is the causes of your round shoulder. If you're doing this type activity or not sitting proper or use sleeping in your only one using one side of your bed, and basically the or you're using the bed faulty furnitures, and this is the all causes of if you are habit to sit like wrong posture in wrong posture in sitting. So in case you are going to round shoulder deformities. Okay, class. So now we're talking about the so class, this is the diagram of the round shoulder. This is the normal posture of your body. Now this is the round shoulder deformities body. So look at this body, it is going to कर्व it means कि आपकी जो स्पाइन है वो कर्व हो चुकी है, राउंड शेप में आने लग गई है. ओके क्लास. सो इफ यू नॉट डूइंग प्रॉपर this type के work you doing या wrong habit of sitting and standing, carrying heavy load and on your shoulders, okay, and sleeping on one side. So if you doing this type of activities, so you आप बेस कंफर्टली आपको ये राउंड शोल्डर्स के प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव नेक्स्ट पेज. So in next page, corrective measure of round shoulders. Okay, so these 2 points are the corrective measures of your round shoulder. The first number is regular exercise. Okay, so second number is leaning back on the chair. Okay, so this is a corrective measure of round shoulders. So let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about your fourth number deformities. Your next deformity is kyphosis. Okay, it is a deformities of the spine in which there is an increase and extenuate of a backward curve. Okay, class. Again, I repeat this point. It is a deformities of the spine in which there is increases or generated of a backward curve. Okay, class. So this is a now we're talking about the causes of kyphosis. So first number is habit of holding the head forward in abnormal manner. Okay, class. So this means कि आप अपने एक हैबिट होती है लोगों की कि अपने हेड को फॉरवर्ड हमेशा आगे को झुकाए रखते हैं. सो दिस इज अ कॉज ऑफ द kyphosis number 1. And so this is the normal spine yours, and this is a kyphosis spine. Okay, so if you have a kyphosis deformities, then your spinal going to look like this shape, and you have not a kyphosis, so your spine look like this shape. Okay, class. So let's move next page. So now we're talking about the corrective measure of kyphosis. So first number is perform Dhanurasana regularly. Okay, class. Perform Dhanurasana regularly. Okay. And second point is bend your head backward in standing position. Okay. Second point is bend your head backward in standing position. So third number is reserve sit-ups, and fourth number is perform Bhujang Asana, and five number is perform Utthasana. Okay class, so this is the asana, all asana for your corrective measures of kyphosis. Okay, so first number is Dhanurasana, second is Bhujangasana, and third one is Utthasana. Okay, and also these 2 points are corrective measure of kyphosis. Bend your head backward in standing position and reserve sit-ups. Okay, so this is a corrective measure of kyphosis. So let's move class next page. So in next page we talking about our number 5 deformities. So number 5 deformity is bow legs. Okay, inner deformities opposite knock knee. In fact, if there is a wide gap between the knee, okay, मीन्स कि आपके नी के बीच काफ़ी ज़्यादा गैप होने लग जाता है. नॉक नी में क्या होता है, आपके नी के बीच में गैप नहीं होता, वो आपस में टच होने लग जाते हैं. तो इसी के डिफरेंट वे में बो लेग में आपकी नीज में गैप आने लग जाता है. सो द डिफॉर्मिटी कैन बी ऑब्जर्व ईजिली. मीन्स कि ये डिफॉर्मिटी आसानी से ऑब्जर्व की जा सकती है. ओके, सो नाउ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉजेस ऑफ बो लेग. So first number is deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, what is the point is deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. Okay class, so now this, look at this diagram. So this is your means bow leg deformities. Now this is the knock knee deformities, and this is the normal postures. Okay class, so this is a corrective measure of bow legs. So first number feed calcium to children. Okay, means bow leg को ठीक करने का सिर्फ एक ही रीज़न है, या एक ही वजह है, या एक ही कह सकते हैं कि एक ही तरीका है कि फीड कैल्शियम टू चिल्ड्रन. मीन्स कि कैल्शियम का इंटेक करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. बेसिकली ये कैल्शियम की कमी की वजह से, या कैल्शियम की कमी की वजह से ही बच्चों में होता है कि बो लेग्स उनको हो जाती हैं.
Class, I hope you all understand about this topic. So common posture deformities. So stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.